to discuss the conditions of pituitary gland or diseases of pituitary gland. The disturbance in release of hormones by the pituitary gland, that is much high and much low amount of hormone secretion and no hormone secretion and other conditions, causes many serious problems to pituitary, and it leads to headache and wear problem and other diseases. One by one, I will discuss all in details. The first condition of pituitary is pituitary tumor. Pituitary tumors are non-cancerous tumors, and they interfere with the release of hormones. As the pituitary gland is present beneath the hypothalamus in the brain, the tumors of pituitary may lead to vision problem and headache by pressing the organs against brain. Vision problems and headache. Second condition of pituitary is known as hypopituitarism. This is the condition of pituitary hormone in which the pituitary hormone produces very little amount of hormone and no hormone. Acromegaly is a condition of pituitary hormone in which pituitary produces too much growth hormone, which leads to excessive growth of hands and feet. Another condition of pituitary is diabetes insipidus. This can cause due to the problem in release of vasopressin. Retarded, and it's lead to head injury, surgery or tumor. The people with this condition pass large amount of heavily diluted urine. Cushing disease caused by pituitary gland. In this condition, too much adrenocorticotropin hormone is released, and it's lead to high blood pressure, weakness and weight gain. Hyperprolactinemia is a condition in which blood contains high amount of prolactin, which leads to infertility and decreased sex drive. Thank you viewers, and Allah Hafiz. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest and more relevant videos. Thank you.